In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the word count of a PowerPoint presentation. This can be particularly useful if you're preparing a presentation and need to adhere to certain word limits, or just want to get an overview of how much text you have included. So let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If it's not already on your desktop, you can find it by searching in the Start menu on a Windows computer or your Applications folder on a Mac. Once PowerPoint is open, the next thing you need to do is go to the actual PowerPoint presentation for which you want to determine the word count. If it's already open, great. If not, go ahead and open it. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the File tab, which is typically located in the top left corner of the PowerPoint window. Click on that and you'll be presented with a sidebar full of options. What you're going to want to do next is select the option labeled Info. This option gives you a broad overview of the document's details and a host of useful information about your presentation. Now, within the info section, you'll notice a variety of details about your presentation, but what we're interested in is getting even more detailed statistics. To do that, you'll need to look for and click on an option that says Show All Properties. This link is usually found at the bottom of the properties list, and it allows you to see detailed statistics that aren't immediately visible. By clicking on Show All Properties, a more comprehensive list of document properties will appear, and among these you will find the word count. This provides you with the total number of words across all the slides in your presentation. And that's it. It's really just a straightforward process to find the word count for any PowerPoint file you're working on. Remember, having a grasp on the word count can help you manage your content more efficiently, ensuring your presentation is as effective and engaging as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips on managing your presentation documents.